Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to activate Netflix on TV. So let's get started. First thing first, on a smart TV, press the home or smart hub button on your remote to access the app menu. Then open the Netflix app. And if you see the sign in a screen, enter your Netflix email and password using the on-screen keyboard. If you see an activation code instead, then continue to the next step. After you tap on the sign in, you will need to bypass the on-screen keyboard to select the option. Instruction will appear on the screen along with the website you need to visit on a web browser. Now, simply on a computer or mobile device, visit Netflix activation page and enter the code displayed on your TV and click continue. Then enter your login details. Use your email or phone number and password to log in. About the sign in fields, you will see successfully connected to your device name. And if you're already logged in on your browser, Netflix will begin activating your devices immediately. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.